This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To access the hidden experimental settings, also known as flags in Waterfox, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your cursor in there, erase whatever's in there, and type about:config. Hit enter. It'll take you to a page that looks something like this. At the very top up here, you have a search bar where you could search for particular settings. Off to the far right, there is a Show Only Modified Preferences checkbox here. To the very center, there's a Show All button. If you click on the Show All button, it will display all of the different settings. There's hundreds of settings in here. You could scroll through them. Like I said at the top, you could search for particular ones. If you find one that you want to change, like this very top one up here, it's set to false. If I wanted to change this, I'll go to the far right. There is a toggle over here. If I click on the toggle, now that setting is set to true. I've changed it. Now off to the far right, if I click on the toggle again, it'll change it back to false. Or there is a reset arrow off to the right of that. I click on the reset arrow, changed it back to false. That is how to access the hidden experimental settings in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.